Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Haslina binti Mamat. My matric number is F17A0117. My supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Mijanur Rahman. My title is Effect of Variety, Plant Maturity, and Botanical Fractions on Oxalic Content in Napier Grass. I will explain about introduction. First, Napier problem statement. To reduce the concentration of oxalic acid content by using the varieties of Napier grass. The objective of this experiment is to investigate the effect of variety on soluble, insoluble, and total oxalic content in Napier grass. Second, to measure the effect of plant maturity on soluble, insoluble, and total oxalic content in Napier grass. And the last one is to determine the effect of botanical fraction on soluble, insoluble, and total oxalic content in Napier grass. Next, I will explain about scope of study. This study are focused on to justify the objective and to prove the validity of the hypothesis. Significance of study: to provide information regarding the best interval that contains lower concentration of oxalic acid. Second significance of study, to verify the claim from previous report and added extra information for people who wants to further study in oxalic acid content in plant. Third, easier for farmers to recognize which period of Napier grass that contains lower concentration of oxalic acid. Now I will explain about literature review. Feed consumption for livestock. Haryani et al. 2018 reported selecting forage species for cultivation is needed to consider the yield, digestibility, and nutrient composition. Next, Sarah et al. 2014 reported there are several factors that affected farming system, which are climatic, environment, diets with lower nutritional value, and animal genotype. Literature review, variety of forage plant. Rahman et al. 2011 reported there are variety of forage plant that use as feed to livestock. Haryani et al. 2018 reported Napier grass is a famous, fast-growing, and has high annual productivity that depend on soil conditions and climate. Literature review, composition of oxalic. Rahman et al. 2011 reported oxalic acid below 2% is still accepted and not lead to kidney failure. Nakagawa et al. 2011 reported Ceteria has contained high level of oxalic compared to Napier grass that contain medium level of oxalic. Methodology. Methodology has two sections, which is experimental preparation and experimental section. For experimental preparation, first, varieties of Napier grass from different maturity stage will be collected from local area. Second, weighing, chop, and dry in oven at 70 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Lastly, the sample will be ground by using blender and stored in plastic bottle. For experimental section, first, 5 gram sample mixed with 15 ml distilled water for soluble oxalate analysis and 5 gram sample mixed with 15 ml of 1 mole HCl for total oxalate analysis. Both samples will be heated for 18 minutes, allowed to cool, filter with filter paper, and made up to 50 ml in volumetric flask with distilled water, and test in HPLC analysis machine. And lastly, for insoluble oxalate content, test will be using formula with insoluble oxalate content equal to total oxalate minus with soluble oxalate.